Hello everyone, my name is Harley Fabian Diaz and I am a systems engineering student at UNAD. I'm presenting my identification document. Well, in this video I will explain Activity 2, which is a part of Step 3 in the Describe Statistics course. The discrete variable we'll be analyzing is the number of passengers in a vehicle. And we are our frequency table, where the first column contains the values of the variable we are analyzing. The second column represents the absolute frequency, which is the number of times the variable values repeat according to the data table. The cumulative absolute frequency is located in the third column, and it contains the sequential accumulation or add of the absolute frequency values. For example, our first data point is 20, which remains the same. The second data point is the add of the last one with the next one, which is 20 plus 14, resulting in 34, and so on. The relative frequency is obtained by dividing the absolute frequency by the total number of data points. Finally, the percentage frequency is the relative frequency by 100, completing the frequency table for the discrete quantitative variable. Now we have illustrated our frequency chart, which displays our variable and the absolute frequency which we use for visual analysis. In this case, the accidents with the lowest number of passengers in vehicle were 2 people, while the highest number of passengers were 10 people. That's all. I appreciate your attention and see you next time.